first part is pretty straightforward. I give you two vectors and I ask you to draw various possibilities here. So A is 5 meters north and B is 5 meters west. So the first one, draw A. Okay, so question 1. Alright, so that's going to be A. And then what's B? West. So that's going to be B. That's fine. What do I ask for next? Draw A plus B. So there's A, there's B. So here is A plus B. Fair enough? Yeah, what's the next one? Is B plus A. So there's B, there's A, and there's B plus A, which you notice is exactly the same as A plus B. What's the next one? 2A, is it?
Yeah.
Right, well there's 2A. Next one?
Minus 3b.
Minus 3B is 3 times bigger to the east now. You flip it around and make it 3 times bigger. And then finally, is it 2A minus 3B? Yeah, it makes sense. So then 2A minus 3B. So let me put the 2A on here. And there you go. This one here will be 2A minus 3B.
Can C and D be the same?
Yeah, they're the same.
Like as in like same.
Yeah, that's
Same
right.
color.
Yeah. Okay, number 2. What do I tell you? A man walks, is it, or what's happening in 2 here? A boat sails 4 west and 4 north, and it took an hour. Okay, so in number 2, a boat sails 4 kilometers to the west, and then 4 kilometers to the north. And just so you know, that's the same as the last question with the 4 and the 4. So if you're wondering, this length here, its length is 4.65 kilometers.
Oh, so we can use that.
Yes, yeah. And what's my first question? What is the speed, is it?
Yeah.
So speed is distance. Now what's the distance? 8 over 1. So the answer is 8 kilometers per hour. And then the velocity, now the velocity is the displacement, which is 5.65 kilometers north-west divided by 1 hour. So the answer is 4.65 kilometers per hour northwest is the answer for that one. So again, that's okay. And then the last one, what do I say? A woman walks 30 meters, then turns around the corner and travels 40 meters, 30 meters, and then she turns and travels 40 meters. And my question is, what is the magnitude of her displacement? In other words, how much is she displaced? So my hint is you have to use a theorem here, Pythagoras, which I haven't told you yet, and you'll do that in physics and maths, but I was just wondering if people recognize that it's Pythagoras. If we call this distance x, we have 30 squared plus 40 squared equals x squared. 900 plus 1600 equals x squared. 2500 equals x squared. 50 equals x. So the answer is 50 meters.
But didn't we use Pythagoras theorem as well to calculate the velocity?
Yes.
This, I did, and I gave you this number in one of the questions.
Oh, I will go for that.
Yeah, now if you use Pythagoras,
I did.
great, and you got 5.65, great. But I was giving you a little bit of a help here because it was the same situation as the example earlier with the 4 and the 4, so it was 5.65. But if you use Pythagoras, fine. Yeah, absolutely. I didn't tell you Pythagoras yet, that's why I didn't want to say it. But I wanted to see in number 3 who knew Pythagoras. I hope you all know Pythagoras' theorem at this stage in your life. Yes. Okay. So the answer is 50 meters is her magnitude of her displacement. All right. So we're going